So most people solve this question like 2 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and 0 times 2 is equal to 0, right? So 0 divided by 2. Now 0 divided by 2 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So first we can write this question like the parenthesis 2 minus 2 times 2 and divide by 2, right? Now according to PEMDAS rule, PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question we have one parenthesis and one division. So first priority is parenthesis. So in this parenthesis we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So now 2 minus, now solve this multiplication, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Divide by 2. Now 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 divided by 2. Now minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. And that's our final answer. So minus 1 is the correct answer, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.